Hi, I'm Josh Clark with the City of Carlsbad Fire Department. The City of Carlsbad is proud of its open spaces and works hard with our residents to help them protect their homes. In this video, we'll talk about what you can do in the event your neighborhood is evacuated due to wildfire. Here's a few quick things you should remember. If you have an emergency supply kit, check to see if there's anything else you need to add, and then put it in your car so you're ready. The city has full instructions on how to create your own kit at city libraries, community centers, and on the city's website. If there is time, you can also pack a suitcase, like you're going on a short trip or even camping. Don't forget personal items, like a toothbrush, eyeglasses, and medicine. In a fire, the greatest risk to your home will be hot wood embers, which can travel long distances in high winds. These are called firebrands and are extremely dangerous. To help protect your home and keep out hot wood embers that could cause a fire, close and lock all your windows and doors. Also, don't forget to close any vents in your home and screens on your fireplace. And if you have time, move propane barbecues, patio furniture, and other combustibles away from the house. Just remember not to block streets and driveways. Firefighters and first responders may need ready access to these areas. If you are being evacuated, you will either get a call through the county's Alert San Diego system, or first responders will come to your neighborhood with loudspeakers. When the evacuation order is given, leave as soon as possible. Staying behind puts you and first responders at risk. Of course, if you ever feel threatened, don't wait to be notified. Leave the area and follow the instructions of public safety personnel. These easy steps will greatly assist the firefighters in your community. You can find more information by going to the city's website at www.carlsbadca.gov/fire. You can also pick up this guide, When Nature is Your Neighbor, available at city buildings and on the website.